By 2026, the technology around us will transform in ways most people aren't ready for. Artificial intelligence won't just generate content, it will run businesses and even act as your personal digital employee. Robots designed to look and move like humans will step into factories and warehouses. Glasses will replace smartphones, processing information directly before your eyes. And in hospitals, computers connected directly to the human brain will begin restoring movement and speech to patients who lost it. These aren't distant possibilities. Their development's already underway. In this video, we'll uncover the 12 powerful technology trends set to redefine life as we know it by 2026. Generative AI becomes default. Generative AI has already shaken the world, but by 2026, it won't just be an option, it will be the default. Articles, videos, podcasts, ads, and even music, most will either be touched by or fully created with AI. Platforms like OpenAI's GPT-5, Google's Gemini Ultra, and Anthropic's advanced models are becoming multimodal, meaning they can handle text, images, video, and even sound all in one system. Adobe's Firefly and Runway ML are already changing how creative professionals work, and by 2026, using these tools will be as natural as opening Microsoft Word. For content creators, this means massive productivity. For businesses, it means cutting costs while scaling creativity. And for everyday people, it means the line between human-made and AI-made content will blur completely. AI agents that work for you. By 2026, AI won't just answer questions, it will perform tasks. These AI agents can book your vacation, create a website, or even onboard new employees at a company without human help. Take Cognition Labs' Devin, an AI software engineer, which can write code, debug it, and deploy it live. Or AutoGPT, which chains tasks together autonomously. The shift here is huge. Instead of using AI as a tool, we'll start treating AI like a digital employee. Companies will hire fewer assistants, fewer junior coders, and fewer administrative staff because AI agents will fill those roles. And in personal life, you might just let your AI plan your week, buy groceries, and handle your emails. AI in healthcare and smart wearables. If there's one place AI is saving lives, it's healthcare. In 2024, Google DeepMind showed it could detect over 20 diseases from eye scans, often faster than doctors. Hospitals are already using AI to predict risks like sepsis hours before symptoms appear. By 2026, this will be mainstream. Add to that the rise of wearables. Smart rings and watches are moving beyond step counts to track stress, blood sugar, blood pressure, and even early illness. Imagine getting a warning that you're about to get sick before you feel symptoms. With AI interpreting this data, your devices will nudge you toward better sleep, exercise, and even diet choices. Healthcare won't just treat illness, it will prevent it. Edge AI and privacy-first devices. One of the biggest shifts in 2026 will be how AI runs. Instead of depending on the cloud, devices themselves will handle AI tasks. Apple, Intel, and Qualcomm are already embedding AI chips into phones and laptops. This means instant translations, voice recognition, and image editing without sending data to servers. Why does this matter? Privacy. Regulators in Europe and the US are pushing for tighter data laws, and users want control. Edge AI will make devices smarter, faster, and safer. Your phone won't just be a phone. It'll be its own private AI hub. AR glasses replacing screens. Smartphones changed the world, but AR glasses might replace them. By 2026, companies like Apple, Meta, and Samsung will be racing to make lightweight, stylish glasses that display live captions, navigation, and even translations right in your field of view. No more pulling out your phone for directions. No more language barriers when traveling. These glasses, powered by AI, will know what information you need before you ask. The Apple Vision Pro was just the start. The next wave will make AR glasses as normal as AirPods. Humanoid robots go commercial. Robots that walk, talk, and work like humans are no longer futuristic. They're entering factories and warehouses today. Tesla's Optimus, Figure AI's Figure 01, and Agility Robotics Digit are already folding laundry, sorting parts, and helping in logistics. What's changed? Cost. By 2026, humanoid robots are expected to be cheap enough for mass adoption, potentially costing less than a small car. These robots will handle repetitive or dangerous jobs, reshaping industries like manufacturing, shipping, and retail. We're heading into a future where robots aren't just in sci-fi, they're our co-workers. AI-powered home assistants. Smart home devices used to be speakers that played music and set timers. By 2026, they'll be mobile, interactive, and much smarter. Amazon's Astro robot already patrols homes, assists with elder care, and takes voice commands while moving around. Apple is rumored to be developing its own home robot that can track users during video calls. In China, humanoid assistants are greeting customers in showrooms. These assistants aren't just stationary devices, they're mobile, screen-equipped, and in some cases, expressive. They'll feel less like gadgets and more like companions. Smart infrastructure and IoT 2.0, the Internet of Things is moving into its second wave. By 2026, there will be over 30 billion connected devices worldwide. Cities like Singapore already use smart traffic lights to ease congestion. South Korea has smart poles that monitor air quality and even charge phones. Warehouses use IoT sensors for instant inventory tracking. The big leap is when these systems start talking to each other. Imagine cities where traffic, pollution, energy use, and even public safety are all monitored and adjusted in real time. That's IoT 2.0, and it's coming fast. Quantum computing nears utility. Quantum computing has always sounded like science fiction, but it's edging closer to real-world use. IBM hit 1,000 qubits in 2023 and is aiming for even larger error-corrected systems. By 2026, quantum computers could start handling practical tasks, like simulating molecules for drug discovery or optimizing supply chains far faster than classical computers. Google, IonQ, and Rigetti are all racing for breakthroughs. While you won't have a quantum computer in your home, industries like pharmaceuticals, logistics, and finance will start to feel the impact. AI-crafted experiences in XR, extended reality is about to get smarter. In 2026, XR won't just be pre-programmed, it will generate itself in real time using AI. At CES, we've already seen virtual shops that change layout depending on how people move around. NVIDIA is creating digital characters that can converse naturally. Meta is pouring billions into avatars that don't just look real, they react and improvise. The future of XR is personalized, adaptive, and dynamic. It's not just a headset experience, it's a living, thinking, digital world. Workflow automation at scale. Automation has been creeping into businesses for years, but by 2026, it will be everywhere. Tools like UiPath, ServiceNow, and Zapier already help companies reduce repetitive work by more than 60%. Amazon warehouses run on predictive analytics coordinating humans and robots together. The next step is entire processes, hiring, invoicing, onboarding, running without human involvement. For businesses, this means lower costs and faster growth. For workers, it means adapting to a world where many routine jobs are automated away. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, the most mind-blowing trend of them all, brain-computer interfaces. In 2024, Neuralink implanted its first chip into a human, allowing control of a computer cursor with thought alone. Other companies like Synchron and Precision Neuroscience are creating less invasive systems that restore mobility or communication for patients with paralysis. By 2026, these won't just be experiments, they'll be in clinical use. Stroke patients regaining movement, paralyzed individuals sending messages just by thinking. This is no longer theoretical, it's happening. And it may one day allow all of us to interact with technology at the speed of thought. So there you have it, the 12 technology trends that will reshape 2026. From AI creating your favorite content, to robots walking beside you, to devices that know your health better than you do, and even chips that connect your brain directly to computers. The future isn't far off, it's arriving faster than anyone expected. Which of these trends excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with more deep dives into the future of tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. The world of 2026 is closer than you think, and you won't want to miss it.